Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with hashtag 12 Weeks of Christmas 2022, hosted by B&D Crafts and More and Kelly Creative Dreams. We are on week 11. One more week after this, guys. So, as you can see, I got it crossed out because I cross them out as I do them. And I'm ahead of schedule, and I'm glad because as I was looking at my calendar for December, I'm filming this on the 28th of November. I have 3 weeks, almost four, I think only have one free weekend. This upcoming weekend, the 3rd, is the Nana and Papa's slumber party, pajama party. And then and also we go see Santa on that Friday. And then it's Lights on Broadway, which they light up and it's really pretty. And we're going to that. And then I have a free Saturday so far. And then it's Christmas. Yeah. Quick. So, my house is already decorated, guys. My kitchen's done. My living room's done. My bathroom's done. My hallway's done. I even got a little tree in my craft room is done. It's all decorated already. I'm completely decorated up. Christmas has come to the Massey house. But I always like making a few items to add each year to what I decorate. And I decorate a little red truck. I probably won't do a video this year, but I do have videos in my playlist because not too much has changed. So, this is a little red truck I made. This is one of these little boards pieces from Dollar Tree. I had this last year, and I came across it because I didn't buy much craft-wise this year. I'm trying to use what I have. And so what I did here is I put this grit, it's gritty. It's like, I can't find the right tube, but it's a latex like this. It comes in a little bottle like this, but it's more like a gritty glue, gritty paste, I guess you could call it. And I put that down, the whole thing, and I let that dry. And then what I did is I took a sponge and I sponged. I sponged it. And then I bet you there's 3-4 coats of each color on here. I really wanted that kind of look on this. So I upcycled on this. And then what I mean by upcycled is this little garland. I had this truck that was made of garland. And I had this Christmas tree coming out. And the Christmas tree broke and the garland kept coming off. I tried to fix it and I'm like, screw it. So I cut the tree out of it, kept the little truck. And I put my coasters in it. So I upcycled the garland. And I may put this on something, I don't know yet, but right now, so far, he's just going to go sit somewhere. And I got the little Merry Christmas, and I got snow on the bumper, and I got these were little ornaments that were candy. These are little bottle caps I had. So that's that one. And then we all saw the little sleighs from the Dollar Tree. I made a few this year. I actually made a total of 5. 2 were gifts. Diamond was one and another gift for somebody else. This is identical to Diamond's, except it says established 2011 instead, and then Diamond and Sam. But this is my son and his fiance's, and I just painted it red, did like a wash on it of white. That, the little snowflakes, and I figured they could leave this out if they wanted to all winter long. Not so much Christmas, but they could, And then I made Scott and I one. And then I had one extra. I didn't know what to do with it, so I decided to change it up a little bit. And I painted it the runners silver, the sky with some snowflakes and these trees. And I had this little sequin snowman, so I put that on there. And that's that one. And then I had these pieces of wood. I don't know where they came from. And I've been moving them in my craft space, so I thought, what can I do with them? This is not... I got this off Pinterest, except I put me and Scott's name in them. And all I did is do some black paint and put little dots and lines going around it, and then our names, and jute and then a wooden bead and these bowls from the Dollar Tree. I just cut off the little things that came off them because they had, oh, they looked like this. But I just cut that off, so it was just a bowl. So then with them. And then, I was pulling out my Christmas night lights, and 2 of them were out. I was thinking, man, how'd they go out? I only use them during the Christmas season, so I have to go buy some bulbs. And I decided to keep them. And this is what I made with the little night light bulbs. The little snowman. I'm on focus. And then let's see the. There we go. You can see. Now the little hats I found at a garage sale this summer. I think I paid $1/4. Whole thing of little plastic snowman hats, and then Santa hats. And I was like, what am I gonna do with them? Well, I said to Scott, and I showed Scott that he said they were kind of cute. I said, even if I bought packages at the Dollar Tree and just painted them, because they had Rudolphs. I got this off Pinterest too. So, them are my projects for week 11. Now I can wrap this up and put these on a tree. And this is a gift too. So, and then I just put these on my tree. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you're checking out everybody else's videos. I have been. And I want to wish you all a safe upcoming Christmas and holiday season. And I had a great Thanksgiving. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. And bye for now, everybody. And see you next video.